Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do anything from beauty, lifestyle, accessories, fashion, home decor. We also do live streams and giveaways, makeup hauls, get ready with me's. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and always check the description box down below to see if we have any active giveaways going on our channel. But as you can see from the title, today we have the February 2020 brown paper packages. So I'm going to go over exactly what brown paper packages is, and then we'll get into seeing what we got in this box. So brown paper packages is a bi-monthly subscription, and it actually comes from Canada, and it is run by the Hutch sisters. So I will put a link down below if you'd like to check it out and sign up. Now it is $59.99 Canadian, and that's about $45 US. And what is brown paper packages? Well, it's a few of our favorite things. It's assembled, it's an array of unique products. It could be beauty, fashion, health, lifestyle, snacks. You're going to receive 6 to 8 unique items handpicked by our creative designed staff and shipped directly to your door. Now, they do also offer Stray Cat Cosmetics is a partner sister company to Brown Paper Packages, and we have gotten some of those products in previous boxes. They've been amazing, and they also have where you can go and you can purchase different boxes other than just the subscription. You can purchase like a mystery box from them and all of that. I will put everything down below for you guys so you know exactly what you can look for on their site. So let's get into opening this and see what we got for February. One thing I absolutely love about this box, you guys, is that they literally have the most beautiful presentation of just about any subscription I have ever opened. Like, the way they present these boxes, the December box was phenomenal. It was just so unbelievably gorgeous, and it just blows my mind the thought that they put into the box and curating it perfectly and beautifully. It's just such a gorgeous, amazing box. I love it so very much. So let's see what a few of our favorite things for February 2020 are going to be. Oh, see? Okay, so there's always a little pamphlet here. And when you open this, this will go over the items inside as well as retail pricing. So I do love that. But you guys, look. Do you see this? Like, that is just stunning. Let's see, let's take this. So they had this little, like, look, I mean, it's beautiful and so perfect for a February box. I just love that. Oh my gosh. And then it's still even gorgeous. The pink tissue paper tied up with the twine. Oh, I love it so much. I do want to say thank you so very much to Brown Paper Packages and the Hutch sisters. They do send this box to me for review. So thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I love this box. So we'll kill that. Oh my gosh. You see this? Oh, okay. So February 2020, baby, it's cold outside. Short, cold days make us long for warmth and comfort. This brown paper package includes items that the Hutch sisters have sourced to help you warm the body and soothe the skin, all with a bit of Valentine's vibe. Our next theme is April showers bring May flowers, and that will ship on April 1st. So let's see. Open this up so we can reference. So I'm going to pull this, well, we're going to start with this. Look at that. Is that not so beautiful? And even, like, I don't even want to open it. I'm just going to slide that off. Like, because I just want to, oh, it's just so beautiful. I mean, when a company takes the time to do their presentation this phenomenal, you know they love what they're doing. Oh, so this is a very nice pair of gloves. Let's see. Pink faux suede gloves. Protect your hands from the cold with these stylish gloves. Locally owned Canadian distributor and $17. Those are so gorgeous. Those are just like fancy. You know, they're not your typical like mittens. They're just like really fancy and pretty. I love those so much. All right. I don't even know where to go. Okay. There's something wrapped up here. Oh my gosh. All right, so this next product is this a facial mist? It is. So this is from Stray Cat. This is what I was talking about. This is their sister company. Stray Cat Rose Nourishing Mist. This naturally nourishing mist is designed to soothe and refresh your skin. Infused with herbal and botanical extracts, it helps to smooth and re-energize skin, giving it a healthy, radiant glow. Mist on body or face, alone, under or over makeup. Stray Cat Cosmetics donates to animal charities. Love that. This is $22. Okay, I'll be honest, I'm not usually a fan of a rose scent. So I'm gonna spritz it, see what I think, and we'll go from there. But it is natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. I love that. Rejuvenate, soothe, clean. All right. Let's see. Oh, that's a fine mist. You know what? The rose scent actually, it's there, but barely. I mean, and that mist was just so fine, and I think I may actually like this. Okay. There's just so much in here. And then, let's just open it because I'm not sure. But it says love. Oh, and this is another Stray Cat Cosmetics item. This looks like a eyeshadow trio, Cupid's Kiss eyeshadow. Cupid's Kiss eyeshadow trio. Mix and match radical pink, rich mahogany, and daylight to create your everyday look. Long-lasting and crease-resistant, Canadian-made and cruelty-free. And this is $18. So we have like a darker maroon color that's a shimmer, and then we have like kind of a cream matte, and then a little bit more of a rosy shimmer. So very, very pretty. And then this is one thing, I'll be honest, I love about this subscription is they always include some sort of a cocktail mix. And this looks like this is cranberry sangria. So let's see. Add cranberry sangria mixed to red wine, soda water, and ice. Garnish with frozen cranberries and orange slices. Sit back, sip, and enjoy. This is from a locally owned business, and this is $6. So, all about something, you know, to keep you toasty. All right, and then let's see. We have got Me to We chocolate. Chocolate that changes lives. This award-winning dark chocolate is made with cocoa sourced from fair trade producers made in Ecuador. This chocolate helps support education in developing countries. And this is $5. 65% dark chocolate. That's awesome. I love chocolate and I love something that gives back, so best of both worlds right here. All right. And let's see. Then we have got oh, this is so cute. It's wrapped up with like the cinnamon hearts. And it is in a little teeny tiny mason jar, which just screams to my southern soul. Our own candle company, Cinnamon Candle. This soy blend candle will fill the room with a cinnamon heart scent, up to 30 hours of burn time with the same great fragrance from top to bottom. Made in the USA, locally owned Canadian distributor, $9. And then they put the little cinnamon hearts all in the bag. That is so cute. And like I said, the mason jar just screams to me. All right, and then we have a blanket wrap, which is what this right here is. Move this out of the way. And it says, drape this super soft wrap around your shoulders on those chilly days. Shades of Merlot and pink will add to the season's look. Locally owned Canadian distributor, and this is $29. And oh, this is soft. Oh, this is so soft and so pretty. You will just wrap it around. God, this is so soft. Ooh, it just makes me feel cozy. Oh, I love it. But it is so very soft. Y'all, like, seriously. And then that is everything, but there's still one little thing here. It says, our gift to you. The Hutch sisters would like to welcome Artisan Baths to our suite of suppliers. This rose-scented bath bomb contains real rose petals. Look for their products in our upcoming boxes. Cruelty-free, vegan, and handmade in Canada. And they attached a little, it says love hearts right there. And then happy Valentine's Day from the Hutch sisters. Thank you for your order. Please enjoy this gift from us to you. And it's in like one of the little Chinese looking boxes. This is cute. So this will be that bath bomb. Oh, and you can see the rose petals in there. That is so adorable. Oh, and inside they had some little red squigglies, but they even had, this is cute. And again, y'all, this just goes to their presentation. They take the time to do this. It was nestled inside rose petals. Oh my goodness. So I think this box definitely has all the Valentine, and still obviously we're in winter, so you know, the warm and cozy winter vibes. This seriously is like warming me up and feels so soft and amazing. I love it so very much. So this again was the February 2020 brown paper packages. I will put a link down below, so definitely head over, check them out. Let me know down below what you think. I think this box was awesome. We got chocolate, we got gloves, we got this warm cozy shawl, we got a candle, cocktail mix, bath bomb, facial mist, eyeshadow. We got a little bit of everything. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.